Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing your data and getting the phone ready. Backup photos, messages, and app data to Google or to a PC. This prevents loss when removing beta firmware. Once done, make sure battery is above 50% and enable developer options if you still need ADB access. Now reboot into recovery mode using the hardware keys or run a DB reboot recovery from your computer so you can access the system-level tools that remove beta builds. You'll now target the beta package directly and replace it with stable software. First, clear cache and Dalvik to reduce conflicts. Choose Advanced Wipe only if advised. Next, sideload or install a stable ROM. Use Apply Update from ADB and run a DB sideload stable. Zip or select Install from storage if you copied the file to internal storage. Also, open Settings and leave the beta program enrollment so the device stops receiving beta updates. This prevents your finishing up. Reboot the system and walk through setup, checking that apps and services run normally. If the device enters a boot loop or crashes, return to recovery and reflash the stable ROM or perform a factory reset as a last resort. This clears persistent beta remnants. Make sure to collect logs with a DB logcat and note any error codes before contacting support, because those details speed diagnosis. Finally, verify beta enrollment is off.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.